as y'all can see, we're logged into Credit Karma right now. So we just had a 259 point FICO increase, right? 259, as y'all can see right here. And I'm gonna show y'all on the other bureau as well. When you take a look at this, all right, they were at a 504. Their score jumped up to a 763. All right. Now let's take a look on TransUnion. All right, you see this right here. So recently their credit went all the way down. Y'all can see this right here. November 4th, they were at a 519. From a 519 all the way up to a 815. That's almost 300 points. All right. So let's take a look to see what happened. Take a look and see what happened. All right. So let's view some previous changes. Y'all see right here. Let me zoom in. Look at this 298 point increase. Let's see what happened. All right. So you see Navy Federal account removed from your file, JP Morgan card removed, Capital One removed. So let's take a look again and show you guys this was removed from their credit report. And we did another video where we showed this same client on Experian. I'll pin a link in the description of the video. So we already showed you this. I just wanted to show you this again on a different credit reporting agency. That was Experian. This right here is TransUnion. And we also did Equifax. It came off all three credit bureaus. All right. And just to recap, y'all can go back to the other video. Navy Federal was, I believe it was 30,000. JP Morgan was 37. Actually, it was 39 with all the interest and fees. And then Capital One was about 52. So it was almost shy of $75,000 in credit card debt deleted off the credit report for a fraction of the cost. All right. So just to show you this. All right. This was a 298 point credit score increase. 298, man. The numbers do not lie. All right. So this is what I want y'all to do. So the number up on the screen right now, give us a call. So this is the best time of the year to take advantage of it. If you want hundreds of points increase on your FICO score, give us a call on the screen. You could also get any negatives, whether that's lates, repossessions, mortgages, positive accounts, negative accounts, child supports, bankruptcies, whatever the case is. We'll take care of it. We'll handle it for you. Call the number up on the screen. Get it.